Okay, good morning. It is Tuesday morning. Okay, so in the last lesson of the Cao Quan form, we ended at the 3 beatings. So let's just start from separate and jab. So this wrist, I've come to decide, should be straight. And the reason it is because if it intercepts, it's much easier to do this if you need to, versus that, right? So, all right, so it should be straight. Okay, so we intercept, strike. Just a review, we did this last time. We brushed his arm off us. 1, right? So let's go from here. 1. Let's do the beats. 1, 2, 3. Brush his arm off. Okay, now we're going to wolf kicks to sand. So I think I'll do a back through here. So the foot digs out. Okay, so we do it 3 times. 1, step forward. Okay. 1, 2, and the third one is a little bit harder. You can take it in 2 ways. I'll show you the easy way first. So 1, 2, 3, pivot down. Okay, pretty easy. So we good. 1, 2, 3, and down. Smash down. Okay, wolf kick. Okay. The way it's supposed to be done now, I'm not saying that I could do it, but the way it's supposed to be done, the third one we leap. Okay. Ready? 1, 2. On the leap, my left foot picks up. Let me see if I can show you a little bit different here. All right, so this foot picks up. This helps me with the leap. And as I leap, I kick. The idea is someone's chasing you, so you're kicking him in the groin as they're chasing you. So I've done 1, I've done 2, ready for the third one, and this picks up. This provides me the leap. This leg will provide me. And see, the knee is bent, right? Because then I can extend the leg. And as I extend, I'm still kicking the person behind me. Okay, so let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3. I guess you'll have to slow it down. I can't slow it down because of gravity. 1, 2. Okay, when I land after the leap, I land on the front, the forward part of the right foot. As I go in, and boom, boom. Okay, so you can just practice that if you like. The hard is to get the weight in there. So actually, so you can practice in 2 ways. You can practice 1, 2, 3, turn. Okay. That's wolf digs to sand. Good. All right. So I'll make another video to follow this regarding a technique we looked at Sunday. Hopefully you'll find that useful. Okay, so a short video on wolf kicks to sand.